I had a meeting yesterday. I have some work to finish today. She has the report ready.
Dad, I heard you use had, have, and has in your sentences just now. Why did you use them differently?
Good question, Akshat. Has, have, had are used to show that something belongs to or belonged to someone or some other thing.
When do we use has?
We use the verb has to talk about one person, animal, place, or thing. We use has with singular subjects like he, she, and it.
What about have?
We use have with plural nouns and also with I and you. For example, I have some work to finish today.
Oh, I got it.
Now, let's talk about had. Had is the past form of has or have. It is used for past tense. It is used with both singular and plural nouns and pronouns. For example, I had a meeting yesterday.
So, when something is in the past, we use had.
Let's learn with some examples. First sentence, she a beautiful dress. Hint, present singular.
She has a beautiful dress.
Yes, next one. They a great trip last month. Hint, past plural.
They had a great trip last month.
Great, last one. We knew books to read. Hint, present plural.
We have new books to read.
Great job, you got all of them correct.
Thanks, Dad. Now I understood when to use has, have, and had.
I'm glad I could help. Keep practicing and you can get even better.
Sure.